How to find your Google account password. When you're logged into your Google account, on the home screen, you have My Password. If you press on that link, here you will see that Google main account won't show you your password. For security reasons, you cannot see your Google account password. Having said that, you can press on Password Manager. If you use Google Chrome, for example, then you can search for Google, then press on that. Here, depending on the type of Google account that you have, and if it's saved in your Password Manager, when you're logged into your Google account, then you may be able to press on the eye icon to see your Google password if it's saved in Google Password Manager. So, if you've forgotten your Google account password, then the best thing to do is actually change it by using this option here. Now, once you change your Google account password, then you can press on Security, and in 2025, you should definitely explore different layers of security for your Google account, such as two-step verification or even using Authenticator app. You can download that from Google Play Store. Okay? So that is how you find your Google account password if it's stored in Google Chrome Password Manager. And as I've said, best way to make sure your passwords are better secured is simply update it if you've forgotten it, and then enable different security options in Google account.